Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices. Turn on Bluetooth and keep them close so signal strength is reliable. Once done, enable the host device's personal hotspot or Bluetooth tethering setting. This shares its internet over Bluetooth instead of Wi-Fi. Make sure your carrier permits tethering and that you have mobile data left, because Bluetooth hotspot still uses your cellular plan. Then open pairing on both devices so they can discover each other. This is the first actionable step toward connecting. You now pair the two devices. In Bluetooth settings, select the host from the client and confirm the displayed passkey. Once paired, on the host enable internet sharing or the Bluetooth PAN/network sharing profile so the paired device can route traffic through its modem. On the client, open the paired device entry and choose Connect to Network or Access Point. The system will request the PAN service. Make sure the client prefers Bluetooth network over other inactive adapters to route traffic properly. You finish by verifying the connection. Open a browser or run a quick speed check to confirm internet access over Bluetooth. Once confirmed, optimize by disabling power saving on both devices and watching battery and data consumption, since Bluetooth tethering is slower but energy efficient. If the client shows no internet, try a basic fix. Unpair both devices, restart Bluetooth or the devices themselves, then repair. Often that clears PAN negotiation problems. If it persists, check carrier tethering restrictions and software updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.